Hello everyone, this is Santosh. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain about product configuration. As I told in previous video, there are multiple record types for the product. Uh, Let's see how to create the products with the record types in the Salesforce org. Now, uh, from the app launcher, we can go to the products. Here we can go to the products. Then if we click on new, then we can see multiple record types here. First record type is product. Product record type is we will create with this record type for the root products. Whatever the root products, we will give a record type as product. And next three are it is claim related spec. First is injury spec, then the claim product, then the property spec. Injury spec will have attributes related to the injury related things, and product will have it's a claim related attributes will be having in the claim product, and uh, property spec will have property related attributes will be there in the property spec. And coverage spec will have all. Suppose if you are buying a plan, then under that plan what will be covered, like let's say ambulance charge, x-rays charge, and these all the specifications will be there in the coverage spec, what it will cover if you buy that product. That attributes will be there in the coverage spec. Then insured item spec in the suppose you are buying a insurance for your car, then all the insurance item attributes will be there in the insured item spec. And uh, and suppose party spec, and insurance item and insurance party are very similar, but it difference is here insurance item will be only a thing. Suppose you are taking an insurance for a car, or you are taking an insurance for your property, that will be insurance item. And insured party means party is nothing but a person. You are taking an insurance for yourself or your dependents, that will be a insurance party spec. And the rating fact spec, this is a type of a product in which the rating can be calculated. uh, Rating attributes will be there here. Suppose if you have a rating attribute that will store the values, then you can use this uh, rating rating fact spec as a record type. First, we'll try to create coverage spec. Coverage spec is a root. It is a under the root product. It is a child product. We can say it is a child product. Then if we click on next, now coverage. Now the coverage spec record type we can create in the product. Now here we need to give uh, a name for the product product name, demo coverage spec. This is a name, and and uh, product code should be unique across the org. Now I'm giving I'm giving this as a product. Now I'm giving this is a unique in the across the org. Then I will make this as active and effective date. This effective date is very important. Suppose when you have choose the effective date as 31st and the end date as let's say it will be next year 31st, then this product is not valid, because I'm doing on December 14 2023, and this is valid from effective date from December 31st. Now when I'm trying to execute this product, this will not come since the effective date is not in the current date. So I will mention this as a November 1st 2023 and December 31st 2024. Now class, you can this is not mandatory. Mm, and the next one is segmentation line of business. If you want, you can give like what is the business type. It is uh, like medical, no, as this is an insurance org, you can see all the medical related things. And the type also, you can see whatever the type you can choose, you can use. And the availability is the state, for which state this product is available. Hmm. Then let's and then pricing I will be taking another video, but here pricing, how pricing can be calculated for this product. Let's say we can calculate price with these third types. So we can use either of the one. We can use calculation or integration procedure, anything if we need. And a pricing source mapping and a pricing formula is an output which store the end type. And these are the minimum fields that we need to give. When we click on select, a uh, coverage spec record type will be created here, and I have made this as active in the first time only. Now, once the record got created, we can see multiple tabs over there. See, the product got created with a coverage spec record type. See, we can see multiple uh, multiple tabs here. First one is coverage. You can add the coverage spec related coverage spec here. As this is only a coverage spec, we can call any other coverage spec again. If we can add any other coverage spec here, and insured item. Insured items is the here you can add from here. And insured item is nothing but if we have insured item, let's say suppose uh, you're you're taking a plan for a car, and also you, you're taking a item insurance for car, and we are also offering for uh, insurance for the driver. Then you can add in this both as a coverage and insurance item. And rating facts, here you will get the record type as racing. Whenever you select that record type, you will you can select that record here. And attributes are the basic building block product. Here we can add attributes. See, in my previous video I have created the attributes. That attributes based by here we can select the attribute. If we click on this attribute tab here, if we check here, there will be a demo attribute demo attribute category which I have created. If you see, this is the demo attribute category. In my previous video I have created this. If you go to the related, we have three attributes here that is already discussed in the previous video. Now if I select attribute, now I have three, since I have this three attributes in this category. So I will select first one, then I will click on save. Now attribute must have data type assignment. Yes. Now this attribute, let's say this is a number. This is a number, and attribute name is this one. Attribute code, whatever we have provided, these all are coming from attribute category and attribute. And in these are the values or default values, and is configurable. This can be configurable or not. That means this can be configurable. And hidden, if it is hidden one, you can mark it as hidden. And if this attribute is used for rating or not. If it is used for rating, then click on this one. And if you are using it for rating, uh, for what it is, input for rating, output for rating. Let's say I'm telling input. See, this is the one I have. Now the first attribute got saved. We have created the attribute in the previous video. Now we are creating the product as a coverage spec record type, and we are uh, assigning uh, one attribute to this coverage spec. We can also add new here. Then again select the first one I have already added in this list. Now I can also select this as a number. I'm selecting as a rating and configurable, and I will make this as an input for the rating. Now I will click on save. Now second one got added. Similarly, we'll add for third one, and similarly we'll select this and third one, make this as a number and rating as this is output. Let's say first two I have given input and I'm giving this as an output. If you click on save, this will be created. See now, uh, now one coverage spec has created with attributes. These attributes will be inputs and outputs. I have mentioned, I have configured here, and these are the attributes we can add here. And similarly, like product only, we will having the mm, other tabs as well. This is the detail. That this already I have explained you while filling. This is how we create the coverage spec in Velocity. In the next video, we'll see how to create root product and how to use this coverage spec as a child product in the um, root product. Thank you.